Improving memory and concentration can be achieved by following several practical steps. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the brain, promoting brain health and improving memory and concentration. Get adequate sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively impact memory and concentration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to maintain good cognitive function. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause fatigue, brain fog, and decreased cognitive function, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help improve brain function, memory, and concentration. Challenge your brain. Engage in mentally stimulating activities such as puzzles, crosswords, or learning a new skill to help strengthen the connections between brain cells and improve memory and concentration. Minimize stress. Chronic stress has been shown to negatively impact memory and concentration. Practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help reduce stress levels. Limit distractions. Eliminate distractions, such as turning off your phone or finding a quiet place to work, to help you stay focused and improve concentration. Take breaks. Taking short breaks every hour or so can help re-energize your brain, improving memory and concentration. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you can significantly improve your memory and concentration and maintain good cognitive function. In addition to the above steps, there are also some specific strategies that can help improve memory and concentration. Chunking information. Breaking down information into smaller, more manageable pieces can make it easier to remember and concentrate on. Repetition. Repeating information multiple times can help strengthen the neural connections in your brain and improve memory retention. Mnemonics. Using memory aids, such as acronyms, rhymes, or visual imagery, can help make information easier to recall. Mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay focused and aware of the present moment, reducing distractions and improving concentration. Organizing information. Keeping your physical and mental environment organized can help you access information more easily, improving memory and concentration. Learning in different environments. Changing your learning environment can help stimulate your brain and improve memory retention. Try studying in different locations, such as a park, library, or coffee shop. Relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or yoga, can help reduce stress and improve focus and concentration. Remember, everyone's brain is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by experimenting with different strategies and finding what works best for you, you can greatly improve your memory and concentration. It's also important to seek medical help if you are experiencing persistent memory loss or difficulty concentrating, as these symptoms could be signs of an underlying medical condition. In conclusion, by following a healthy lifestyle and incorporating practical strategies, you can significantly improve your memory and concentration and maintain good cognitive function.